Sphering the Flat Earth Part 5, Gravity Unexplained. In modern theoretical science, the term gravity is used to identify a force that controls the movement of so-called planets in so-called space. Strangely, this force is also applied to the holding down of objects on Earth. Convoluted theories are required to keep a person's logic, observation, and practical experiments out of reach, and thus the theory of gravity remains academically uncontested. The truth is that everything in this realm exists under a dome called the firmament and is controlled by electrostatic energy, which is measurable, testable, and proven many times over to exist, and also explained how objects are held down. In this video, scientists capture high-altitude electrical discharge from what can only be described as the firmament. These high-energy discharges are referred to as sprites by some and have been filmed at 60 miles high. There appears to be a reflection of the energy on the undersurface above. This is evidence of the firmament. You can see how these come out of the surface in waves of electricity. This demonstrates and adds proof to the fact that we live under an electrostatic dome. With the understanding that our realm is controlled by electrostatic energy, it then follows that the concepts of space and gravity suddenly dissipate into the realms of sci-fi or literal fiction. So how does this unexplain gravity? Well, it's called electrostatic acceleration. In simple terms, Earth is negatively charged and the air is positively charged. The higher up an object goes in the air, it grows more positively charged. This means that all objects or matter exist between two Gaussian surfaces. Both surfaces distribute charge. For example, the positive charge in our bodies, as we are mostly above ground, in the positively charged air attracts the negative charge from the Earth that we stand on, and this causes a downward force toward the Earth. This is called a downward vector. As for density, all objects or matter contain electric potential. Note on the periodic table, the denser something is, the more electric potential it can hold. Simple electrostatic tests can be done to show its effect on matter, given the conditions where an object is being moved without any physical evident force aside from the electrostatic charge. Matter and density go hand in hand and affect all types of matter. When we reverse the polarity of the electrical field, putting a negative surface next to a positive one, we reverse the electrostatic phenomenon and things stick or are pushed away. Other experiments can apply electrostatic charge to gases. For example, a person can charge themselves with static electricity and use their finger to blow out a candle 2 feet away as the gases rush away from their fingertip because of the exceptional potential difference. As usual, when facts like atmospheric energy are hidden behind theoretical science, it becomes clear that this rich resource existing all around us in the very air that we breathe can be readily harvested for profit. Free energy capitalism was established when the handover of rule took place, and many were orphan children, young enough to forget what existed in the air, and we have been collectively driven to a reliance on the electrical power fed through cables supplied to us in order to travel, eat, stay warm, and generally survive. All of this has been kept a secret in favor of capitalist pursuits to enslave and profit from all of us, the unwitting masses.